Hello, YouTubers. Well, this is a new car show we've never been at. And this is in White City. Oh, which way are you going? Oh, what am I taking a picture of that rat? Is that a rat rod? There's a cool old car. We've seen a lot of vehicles leave, so there might not be too many left here. That's cool. Oh, Ford or something? Cool. That's a nice truck right there. A Scamper. Wow, look at that nice dog park. Holy. Yeah, nice. Frisbee couldn't go far enough there, that's for sure. Okay. So, ooh, that's a nice red car. Oh. Very nice. Yes, no, I like that too. I remember these in high school. Look at the size of that sunroof. Oh, that's nice. What's that? Love this Cadillac. Yep. Very nice. That's nice, eh?
It really works when the sun is out.
Oh. Holy. Look where the battery is. There's that.
Or Citron.
Yeah. Can we walk on the grass? That's big, eh? Sorry.
I've never had rain on this.
looking truck. Yep.
Never heard of a Chevy.
A Chevy what? 1300? That'll be a quarter ton? We'll have to Google that. That's nice too.
All Fords are nice.
Really? You think? Who? Be a Ford. Oh.
Yeah, it is a Ford because it starts on like this.
I can't remember his
Any
name.
more things, Dan? My life.
Oh. Sport Fury. Modified. Wow, is that ever nice and clean, eh? Well. No? Oh, I've seen this before.
Yeah, it's his.
Oh, is it? Yeah.
Is that a bad one?
It's, I don't know what it is, but I thought it was a Lincoln
Oh.
because of the oval thing.
I'm
But
going to ask him what it is.
look at the headlights in the back.
So what is it? I was called the Batmobile.
You take over that car.
General Motors truck.
Not GMC. Oh, the hubcaps say GMC. Look at the headlights.
Wow.
1946? Do you think that's a 40? No, it must be a 46.
Yep. Ooh, that's what it looked like before they fixed it.
Wow. It sure had a nice facelift. Oh, I think we've seen this one
Well,
before.
the 3100 instead of the 1500, it's a 3100.
That's fine. So that's pretty good.
Yeah, I love that.
That's really good. That's true. That's true.
Can't believe he said.
Oh. Yeah, gal. 66 gal.
66 gal.
With an 8-track. What's it? Oh, this is a 1-ton. This puppy. I like that. That's nice. Cadillac. Cadillac. That is comfortable looking
It does look
couch.
comfy.
Yes. Couches.
Holy.
What year is this thing? 70? Wow. What kind of engine? 454?
472.
472. Oh my God. How much does she weigh? Oh, over 4 grams?
Just shy of 5,000 pounds.
Yeah.
I thought he said, how much do you weigh?
No. That's kind of personal. The car?
I like that.
Yes. Oh, those couches inside. Holy crow. Velour, man.
Yeah.
Yep.
I think they are so cool.
That is sweet. It's like cool. Oh, isn't this Wes's? No. Remember that guy I used to work with? This is Wes, so Wes is here?
Wes is here, yeah. He's just in the front of the...
Oh,
is he?
okay,
Yeah.
thank you. I used to work with him at...
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yeah, I'll track him down. It's a small world, isn't it? Holy. Oh, I gotta go look at this truck. That is 1980. Oh. High Sierra.
$10,500 in 19.
Yep, ain't that? And that was a crap load of money back then. Now you're buying a $100,000 truck. Let's go.
We are allowed in it, aren't we?
Well, no, I wouldn't go in it, but well, you can go in and show some leg. Show some leg, and this is the fire department. Oh, I didn't know that. Huh. Winnebago? Yes, it is a Winnebago.
You want to go look? All right, go on. Let's go look.
No, it's on.
No, you can't go in.
That is awesome. 72? Really? That is awesome. Do you still use it as a camper and everything?
Oh,
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Like I said, I got down to one. I've always been a classic car guy,
Yeah?
and I like camping. And I've gotten to the point now where I only have a spot for one of something other than my daily driver. So
Oh, okay.
this will be my classic car and my camper all in one.
Oh, God, yes. Oh, wow. I bet this camper could tell many good stories, eh?
Oh, yeah.
Trips and vacations and, oh, yeah. That is so sweet.
That's a fun old one. And it's pretty, body parts are harder to find, but anything mechanical, you can go to Napa and they've got everything for it.
Do they? Yeah. What kind of engine is it?
It's a Dodge 318.
Oh, 318? That's
Sounds small, right?
It sounds small for a big...
Yeah, they came with a 318 or a 440 at the time. Those are the options.
Oh, really?
Yeah. The 440 would probably be better. This one, you're a 55 mile an hour guy all day long.
Yes, this is more economical. Yes.
I love the colors.
Yeah?
The green.
That's all original upholstery.
Okay, I gotta go take a picture.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, it's original upholstery, original everything.
Now,
Really?
Is that a bench?
Yep,
Okay, that's what I was telling you.
Oh my God, this is beautiful.
So, yeah.
Look at the bench seat in there.
And it moves, see, you can't
Oh,
move.
I'll get out of your way.
No.
There goes Wes. Yeah, I hope I have this on video. Like, that is so cool. That's really cool. And you even got a ladder to go up there.
Yeah. No, I like that.
Square body, baby.
Oh, that's why it's so nice.
Yeah. 81 or 82. Because the signal lights are in the bumper. Yes. Oh, this is an Impala. Very nice. This has the dual antennas. Cool.
They don't even have one.
They don't have what?
That tells you what year they are.
Oh.
You know, like I mean, with this, it's easy.
Well, this one probably used to be a diesel because of that square thing in the middle.
Okay.
That used to be where you heat up the lights. But no, it's an 81 or 82.
Okay.
Those years I remember because of the signal lights in the bumper. 83, 84, and 85 are right here. Nice Shepherd over there. Yep. Yeah, seems like it, eh?
There's rain coming.
Well, I was told it was coming at 6 o'clock and later.
Oh, okay.
But guess what? Weather people are not always right.
They are, you know what? I often said I want to become a weatherman.
Yeah?
They're the only people I know that get paid good money to lie.
Yep. Yep. So true.
They do.
Yep.
I've never met an honest one yet.
No.
Actually, it's kind of funny. We've traveled up and down.
I thought that could get us away, but.
Well, yeah. I guess there's Herbie over there.
We saw that one landing.
Okay.
Along with this one.
This girl?
Yeah.
Oh, that one. Well, that's a nice, what, Firebird? Yeah. Gotta love white interior. Hey, come here. Look who's driving.
Oh my god.
What a small world.
Oh my god, that's hilarious.
Yeah. Isn't that? You just bought one of those, you know?
That's crazy.
Oh, Prairie Harley Davidson, okay. Yes. Is he coming this way or backing out?
I don't know.
Or just sitting there. Oh god, there's a cyber truck. Oh, blue engine too, eh? Nice. All right. Well, we kind of got distracted here, and we'll go on to the next car show, hopefully. Or we'll just call it quits and go home.